Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so we have first 6 spots, one for the plain croissants, one for the cherry croissants, another one for the chocolate, almond, apple, and broccoli croissant. We have 12 croissants to place there. So for example, this would mean that we bought 2 plain croissants, 2 cherry croissants, 1 chocolate one, 1 almond, 2 apple, and did I say this right? 2 plain, 2 cherry, 1 chocolate, 1 almond, 2 apple, and 4 broccoli. So here we have 1 line missing, extra. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here on top we have 5 lines. Okay, so we have to organize these 5 lines and 12 stars. That means 17 objects. So we have 17 spots, and 12 of them are going to have stars. So that will be 17. Take it 17 combinatorial number with 12, and that is 17 factorial over 12 factorial, 5 factorial. That gives us that number. Now for the second one, we have to place 24 croissants this time. So we will have to order 41 elements, and we have 41 spots that we can choose. I'm sorry, not 36 croissants, because it's 3 dozens. So we have to choose 36 of them. So that would be the combinatorial number 4136 that give us that result. Now for part C, we are going to consider first when we don't choose any croissant, any broccoli croissant. So we are choosing now, we have 5 spots instead of 6, meaning that we have 4 lines and 24 croissants. So say, for example, in this case, we have still, again, 1 line extra. Let me remove this one. So we'll have 2 croissants, plain croissants, 2 cherry croissants, 2 chocolate croissants, 2 almond croissants, 4 apple croissants, and no broccoli at all. Okay, so that's one case in which we can order these 28 elements. We have 28 spots, and 24 of them are going to be selected to put the stars. That gives us the combinatorial number 28, 24, and that's the result for that. Now, what if we get only 1 broccoli croissant? So we will have, again, 5 places to choose, and now we will be placing 23 croissants because the 24 is already placed for the croissant. So this is the same example than before. Actually, exactly the same. Let's remove this one. So we will have choose, in this case, 2 plain croissants, 2 cherry croissants, 2 chocolate croissants, 2 almond, 3 apple, and 1 broccoli that is not in the drawing. So how many ways we can do that? We have 27 elements, 27 spots, and 23 are going to be selected to have the stars. So that is the combinatorial number 27, 23. That is that value. Now we have one last option, is when we choose 2 broccoli croissants. So again, we have 5 places and 22 croissants to choose. Let me erase these 2 and this one. So we will have, in this example, 2 plain croissants, 2 cherry, 2 chocolate, 2 almond, 2 apple, and 2 broccoli. Okay. So that will be how many times we can order 26 elements. We have 26 spots, and 22 are going to be selected to have the stars. That will be the combinatorial number 26, 22. That gives us that value. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is adapt all these cases, and the total number of ways we can choose these croissants is that. Now, The last question asks us, oh no, this is not the last, the previous to last. We have 5 chocolate croissants and 3 almond croissants, and we have to place the rest. So that means that we are fixing 8 elements, and we have 16 to place still, okay? And we have 6 places to do it. That will give us 21 elements, 21 spots, where 16 are gonna have the stars. That give us that amount. For F part, we have to fix 1 plain croissant, 2 cherry croissants, 3 chocolate croissants, 1 almond croissant, 2 apple croissants, and we are gonna place the rest. So suppose that we have non-broccoli. Then we have 15 croissants to place still into 5 categories. So that will be how many ways we can order these 19 elements. We have 19 spots, and we are gonna choose 15 to place the stars. That is the combinatorial number 19, 15. Okay? What about if we choose 1 croissant, broccoli croissant? So we will have 5 spots, 14 croissants to place. So that is ordering these 18 elements. We have 18 spots, and 14 are gonna have the stars. So that gives us the combinatorial number 18, 14. For 2 broccolis, same idea. Now we have 5 spots, 13 croissants. So we have 17 spots, and 13 are gonna have stars. That's the combinatorial number 17, 13. Now, for 3 broccoli croissants, we have 12 croissants to place in 5 categories. We have to order those 16 elements. We have 16 spots, 12 of them are gonna have the stars, and that gives us the total. So we have solved this problem. Let me see.